Ogbog's Grog barrel generator. That's right, I made a barrel generator. This thing is pretty cool. It's in Blender using geometry nodes. You can go into edit mode and see that it's all generated off of a curve object. So you can go in and hit Control T to twist. You can hit Alt S to scale. You can hit E to extrude. You can hit delete to get rid of them. There's lots of stuff that are parameterized on this that you can control. You can make it so it has more staves. That's the planks that go around the end. I learned a lot about barrels by making this. There's also the head of the barrel. That's the top part. You can make it go in and out. You can control the number of boards on that. It's got a bung generator. You can choose where the bung goes. The hoops are also really cool. You can modulate how frequently they come or whether you're popping off the top or the bottom. And where the rivets go on them. You can make the rivets go all the way around. Ooh, you can make some weird experiment stuff too. Little death cages and stuff. Anyways, it's $5. Go buy it on one of these stores.